I will try to describe what I mean and how it feels like. For that I use words, melodies, and signs. You are my heaven on earth, the light of my sun. Through you I gave birth. You made me a woman. Every color of my world, that's what you are. Like a lion rules the jungle, you rule my heart. And only you can have my soul. Oh, you can have it all. Everything you want, my heart, my love, to you they belong forever. Darling, you turn my nights into days. 'Cause every second, in a minute of each hour, I need to see your face. I need to touch you, smell you, hug you all through the day. Kiss you, hug you, smell you, touch you, tease you, please you, and say your name. Only you can have my soul. Oh, you can have it all. Everything you want, my heart, my love, to you they belong forever. No matter what will be, with you and me, you always have my soul, my heart, my love, my everything. No matter what will be,